South Omaha has been hit especially hard during the pandemic, with just one zip code recording more than 1,900 positive cases. Now, news that the main testing site in that part of town, near 50th and G, is closing down this week. Reporter John Kipper has more on what this means for the community.
When you look at a map of the county on the Douglas County dashboard, it becomes clear quickly that South Omaha has been the epicenter of the pandemic.
68107 is the area that's so critical.
The Douglas County Health Department announced Wednesday one of the main testing sites in South O, located at 50th and G, will close Thursday. In a statement, Nebraska Medicine, who helps staff the site, says they originally committed to staffing it for 4 weeks and expanded it to 2 additional weeks. But individuals signing up to support this operation have primary duties elsewhere in the system. As we ramp back up operations in ambulatory, surgery, inpatient departments, it has grown increasingly challenging to maintain adequate staffing at this site. Health Director Dr. Adi Poor expanded a bit more.
They used to use some individuals who now are going back to college. And then, so it is definitely a nursing shortage.
So now the health department is working to bring back a site to South Omaha.
South Omaha, this area has a lot of packing house workers, people who cannot work from home. They come home and it's a multi-generational. They've got an 85-year-old grandmother and a 4-year-old baby and all this kind of thing. It's a real mixture. It's a formula for disaster, and that's what's happening.
Douglas County Commissioner Mike Boyle, who represents the area, says he's on the phone with health officials, trying to get a new site as soon as possible. When they do get one, he wants to see it closer to where the vulnerable populations live.
Well, frankly, they didn't like it at 50th Street. They felt that it wasn't in South Omaha. If we open one, I'd like to see us go further east.
Boyle doesn't point the finger at anybody or an organization in the state, instead criticizing the federal government's response, leading to a lack of sites in places like South Omaha.
There are bad places all over the United States, and this is really one of them.
In South Omaha, John Kipper, 3 News Now.
The site will be open from 1 to 5 p.m. tomorrow before closing down.